back to my channel and welcome to noob. Alright, so today avatar. I'll make it myself. Alright, my game is already glitching because of them. So let's make our walk speed 10,000 and our jump power to I will take it with trail. 1, 2, 3. The blue trail because I love blue. Whoa, that is good. Alright, how many moves? Maybe let's get... Whoa! They are making art! Wow, that is art right there. If you guys have Roblox account, make sure to follow me or check us out here. One, two, three. Okay. My game is not crashing, that's why I do. Okay, I have already slid. Alright. Let's see what kind of art. Oh, that's so cool. I'm not consuming its trail. Whoa! Alright. Whoa! It's like a suck right into my... Woo! Let's go, boy! What? Oh, there's one. Okay, let's see if they can all recall me over here. That was no good. They can all recall our wall speed is just way too fast. We have a leaderboard? So much people are playing this game. Let's just make a ton of us. Whoa! You know what? I think we're gonna make it like 5. Whoa! Look at that! What? Whoa! That is so cool. My game is not too good. Okay, I'm playing on mobile, so I don't want to do it. And let's see if they can recall. I'll just go to the bathroom real quick. I'll let you guys watch it. Okay, we are just inside it. Alright, no luck? No luck? Are you serious? Man. did run a few seconds. Yeah, let's just make a ton of blood. I almost said Minecraft because I love Minecraft. Alright, it is looking like art. Let's see how the world of Roblox can handle this beautiful art made by Gamer326 Pro. As my display name is Gamer326 Pro and my actual Roblox name is Sean. Whoa, let's go, newbies! Okay. Woo! Let's make our sizes. Okay, I already know I'm going to be large. Oh no, my game is already glitched. Oh wait, it's not. Okay, I don't even see where I'm going, so let's just put it to 100 watts. My game. What, that's slow? Oh, since I'm big, I need 500 also. Yep, now that is a tad high. Whoa, look at our big tiny thing. Well, technically my name is Art. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh my god, oh my god. I'm just super strong in the face. Okay, oh my god, 0 noobs, please. That was a bad idea. Can even just... Yep, it's still pushing. Alright, you know what? Let's make it 1 million. As many zeros as I can possibly type in. Okay, now my game is going to crash. Oh no. Oh my god, but that is... We don't glitch. When we're small, we do. Okay, I don't even know how many zeros I put in there, so let's... It is like a cage. Just scare me off. Okay, let's just separate our noob's energy. Okay, we are moving rapidly fast, boy. Alright, my game is going to crash soon, so I'll see you guys in the next video. It's already been 1 minute. Till then, guys, bye-bye. Make sure to like and subscribe, especially if you're new. Bye.